guys, so we're going to make a cake in the microwave. So let's get started. We have flour, egg, vegetable oil, and water. So first we put the flour, all of them. So I put flour, egg, and vegetable oil, and I'll have water. So let's mix. Let's put our sleeves up and mix it smoothly. Keep mixing until it's smooth and fluffy. Then we put it on the microwave. Since we're almost finished, we're going to put some rainbow sprinkles. We have so much rainbow sprinkles. We mix it up first. I can see a lot of them. So we're done with this. We're going to put it on the silicone. We can buy it online, and I have the small one and the big one, but this time I'm going to use this one because pink is my favorite. So let's start. So now I put all the batter in the pan, and we're going to put it in the microwave, but we have to tell our mom and dad to help. We will cook and show you it later. Bye, guys. So since I put it in there for 4 minutes, we only need to make the icing now. We need cream cheese and butter. So first let's put on butter. So you have to make sure you put it on the room temperature. I put butter and cream cheese. So let's mix it right now. Here, this is so smooth and fluffy. We're just going to mix it a little bit and then put vanilla syrup. All of them. And then mix it up. So guys, this is finished. We already put vanilla syrup, and we're done with the icing and the cake too. So let's put the icing. So the cake is ready in 4 minutes. We're going to let it cool down and then put it in the wax paper. So we just need to do this. This cake looks so awesome. Look at it. Let's put the icing on top. Top look awesome, and we're just going to put the icing on the side and this icing all over here, and we can spin it with our hands. So get some along, and then first do it here. I don't think so I can do it now. A little bit more. Put right over here. Here is a little bit more. We have a lot in the spoon. And we just make this rub it to the other side. The icing, now I'm going to put some blueberries. They're all good. One over here. And it will look so awesome. And then it looks like a crown. pretty. Deer. And then sprinkle some. I think we can put more. I like to put a little bit rainbow sprinkles and that heart sprinkles. There. And now we get some. This looks like a medicine. Oh. It's Elsa color. Here you go, guys. It was so easy to make the cake. We cooked it on 4 minutes. Then I will tell you how does it taste. I will let you know how does it taste. I'm about to eat it. It tastes yummy. If you want me to make more videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.